In this video, we will explore the top 5 Edge AI hardware options perfect for beginners. You'll learn how to choose the right hardware to kickstart your AI projects effectively.
Welcome to the exciting world of Edge AI. Did you know that by 2025, Edge AI hardware sales are expected to reach billions? This rapid growth highlights its crucial role in modern technology. For beginners, choosing the right hardware can make or break your AI journey, impacting performance and learning curves. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 beginner-friendly Edge AI hardware options, ensuring you have the tools to succeed. Edge AI refers to artificial intelligence that processes data at the location where it's generated, rather than sending it to a centralized server. This approach contrasts with traditional AI, which relies heavily on cloud computing. The benefits of Edge AI include reduced latency, improved data privacy, and lower bandwidth costs. It's used in smart devices, autonomous vehicles, and IoT systems. For beginners, Edge AI offers a practical and scalable way to dive into AI projects, providing real-world applications and immediate feedback.
Let's delve into the top 5 Edge AI hardware options perfect for beginners. We've selected these based on ease of use, cost-effectiveness, performance, and community support. Each hardware comes with unique strengths, making them ideal for different types of AI projects. Whether you prioritize budget, ease of use, or upgrade potential, there's something here for everyone. Let's explore how each of these options can support your journey in AI. Raspberry Pi 4 stands out as a cost-effective and versatile choice for beginners. Priced under $100, it supports various AI frameworks such as TensorFlow and OpenCV. The vast community provides ample resources, tutorials, and forums, making troubleshooting and learning straightforward. Setting up the Raspberry Pi 4 is user-friendly, with many online guides available. Additionally, its compatibility with numerous peripherals allows for easy upgrades as your skills develop, making it a great starting point for aspiring AI enthusiasts.
The NVIDIA Jetson Nano is a powerful option for those seeking high AI performance without breaking the bank. At around $100, it offers GPU-accelerated processing, making it suitable for projects requiring more computational power. The Jetson Nano is supported by a robust developer community, providing a wealth of resources and tutorials. Its ability to handle complex AI models efficiently makes it ideal for applications like image recognition and robotics, offering a significant performance leap for beginners.
Google's Coral Dev Board is engineered specifically for Edge AI applications, offering impressive speed and efficiency. Equipped with an Edge TPU, it excels in processing TensorFlow-like models rapidly, while maintaining low power consumption. Priced around $150, it's a bit more of an investment but comes with the backing of Google's extensive support network. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners looking to experiment with AI at the edge, particularly in energy-sensitive environments. The Intel Neural Compute Stick 2 offers a unique plug-and-play solution for beginners interested in deep learning. At around $100, it's compatible with multiple platforms and supports deep learning inference, making it a versatile tool for various AI applications. Its compact and portable design allows for easy deployment across different environments. This hardware is perfect for those looking to integrate AI capabilities into their existing projects without the need for extensive hardware modifications.
Arduino Portenta H7 is a versatile option for beginners interested in both AI and IoT applications. It features dual-core performance, enabling the execution of complex tasks with efficiency. Priced at around $100, it offers high energy efficiency and supports a wide range of sensors, facilitating diverse AI projects. The strong Arduino community provides extensive support and resources, making it easier for beginners to get started and explore various use cases.
When choosing Edge AI hardware, balancing cost against performance is crucial. Each of the options we've discussed offers a different blend of affordability and capability. For instance, while Raspberry Pi 4 might be the most budget-friendly, NVIDIA Jetson Nano provides superior performance for intensive tasks. Consider your project needs and long-term goals when evaluating these options. Real-world performance can vary, so look for benchmarks and user reviews to guide your decision. Ultimately, the right choice depends on finding the best fit for your budget and project requirements. Community support plays a vital role in the success of any AI project, especially for beginners. Access to tutorials, forums, and shared resources can significantly ease the learning curve and help troubleshoot issues. Each of the hardware options we've explored has a dedicated community that can provide guidance and support. Engaging with these communities not only enhances your learning but also connects you with like-minded individuals. Embrace community resources as they can be invaluable in helping you achieve your AI goals.
Compatibility with AI applications is a crucial factor when choosing Edge AI hardware. Each of the options we've discussed supports popular AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, as well as various programming languages. This flexibility allows you to integrate AI capabilities into your existing projects easily. Consider your current and future application needs when selecting hardware, ensuring that it aligns with your project goals. The right hardware can open up a world of possibilities, from simple AI experiments to complex, real-world applications. Energy efficiency is a significant consideration in AI projects, affecting both scalability and operational costs. Each hardware option we've covered offers varying levels of power consumption. For example, the Google Coral Dev board excels in energy efficiency, making it suitable for continuous operations and battery-powered applications. Lower power consumption not only reduces costs but also minimizes the environmental impact, aligning with sustainable practices. Energy-efficient hardware can enhance project scalability, allowing you to deploy AI solutions across multiple devices without excessive power demands. Real-world use cases provide valuable insights into how beginners can apply edge AI hardware effectively. Examples include home automation systems, simple robotics, and IoT devices. These projects demonstrate the potential applications across industries such as healthcare, agriculture, and smart cities. Start with small-scale projects to build foundational skills, then gradually transition to more complex applications as your confidence grows. Learning from case studies of successful implementations can inspire and guide your own AI journey, showcasing what's possible with the right hardware and approach.
In conclusion, we've explored the top 5 edge AI hardware options perfect for beginners, each offering unique benefits. Consider factors like cost, performance, community support, and energy efficiency when making your choice. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Start experimenting with small projects and scale up as you gain confidence. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below with your favorite hardware choice or any questions you have. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content, and stay tuned for our next video in this series.